Hi Midwest, this is Sam the Weatherman with your forecast. Let's take a look at your current conditions outside at the moment. We have a current temperature of 25 degrees, winds 5 miles an hour out of the east, humidity of 68%, and a barometric pressure of 30.16 and falling. As we move on into this evening, or later this evening, we have a low temperature tonight of 20 degrees, a wind chill of 17 degrees, which is caused by that slight wind of 5 miles an hour. And we have a few snowflakes that are in your forecast. More on that in just a little bit. But first, let's take a look at the temps from around the area. We see up in the Twin Cities, we have a temperature of 2 degrees. In Wausau, 12 degrees. For you guys in Appleton, around 14 degrees. And down in Whitewater, although we don't have a temperature, around 19 degrees. But now let's take a look at the current radar. We can see we have this big storm off in southern Minnesota at the moment, but it is coming our way and is going to bring us snow. So we take a look at the snow map here right here. We can see there's all sorts. This dark blue here means heavy snow. So there's going to be heavy snow all across southern Wisconsin. Connor, for you guys up there in Appleton, expect snow showers throughout the night. Calvin down in Whitewater, expect snow showers as well. So lots of snow around southern Wisconsin. How much snow will you get? Well, let's take a look here. Up in Appleton, not too much, just a slight dusting, a little over half an inch. Down in Whitewater, a little less, maybe about 3/10 of an inch. So not too much snow, but just know when you wake up in the morning, the ground should be white. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast. We can see tomorrow you have a high of 29 degrees, a low of 5. This is right around the average for this time of year, so nothing too far out of the ordinary. What will the temperature be by the hour? Let's take a look here. While you're walking to class tomorrow morning, temperature should be in the low 20s, 21 degrees at 10 a.m. As you go through class, should be partly cloudy throughout the day. Again, remember there's snow on the ground. We reach our high of 29 degrees at 4 p.m. Here's a look at our national map, so we can take an outlook at what the rest of the week looks like. We notice this snow system that will move in to the area tomorrow, and we have high pressure throughout the rest of the country. Because weather moves west to east, that high pressure is coming your way, which means clear skies. So here's your 5-day forecast now. We can see on Tuesday, like we said, that snow flurry in the morning, but should clear up. On Wednesday, very clear skies. The high pressure system should settle in nicely. On Thursday, unfortunately, we have an outlook for a wintry mix, some rain and snow, a combination. On Friday, high of 31, so it should warm up above or around freezing. Chance of a flurry. And on Saturday, as we head into the weekend, cloudy skies with a chance of a flurry. Notice the very chilly nights on Friday and Saturday, and that brings us right into our party forecast now for the weekend. On Thursday, it looks like temperatures look pretty warm if you're heading out on the town. A midnight temperature of 26. On Friday, remember, it should have those real cool nights, so temperatures should get pretty chilly, possibly a little bit colder. On Saturday, pretty similar. But let's look at your weather fun fact of the day now. We can see in 10 minutes, a hurricane releases more energy than all the world's nuclear power plants combined. So just so you know, hurricanes have a lot of force to them, just like most weather systems. This is Sam the Weatherman. Thanks for tuning in, and good night, Wisconsin.